I'm getting a late start today. I've already been over to my customer's house. Today I've got a job for a D5 cat. He just had some work done, but he keeps losing the blade off the bottom pins, and he wants the bottom cups welded onto the blade arms so it will stop falling off. So he already talked to his regular mechanic, and he suggested that he just have the bolts welded to the cap and then the cap welded to the arm and just lock the pin. So he said if anything ever does break, it's usually the pin, and it'd have to be cut and welded on anyway. So that's what we're gonna do. And he's just a light user. He's just got a small property and he's using it here and there, so it's not like he works it real hard. So he's okay with that. We're gonna load up our stuff this morning and head out. He's only 5 minutes up the hill, so not even very far. So still a mobile service call, so we've got our 1 hour minimum and we'll see how long it takes. So let's get loaded. I've got to bring you guys with me. I'll come out here. I already checked. I am getting pretty low on wire, so I'll bring an extra roll with me. We're just going to use some 035 flux core. I think I have some extra. Let's check. It's my guard. Yeah, what do we got? 030. Okay. Let me see if I've got a smaller roll of 035 in here. No? Oh wait, no. 030. And solid, okay. So, what was this one? Was this one solid? Better not be. I'm pretty sure I ordered flux. Yeah, flux. Flux core. 0.03. That's 030. Okay. So we'll bring some wire. Hey, pup. Come on. Bring some wire. I left my fridge in here. That'll be okay. I'll put the welder in the front. The truck is out of town with my wife, so we gotta take the broke down van. She keeps overheating, so it's a short drive. Shouldn't hurt it. We're gonna take my bag, my helmet, gloves, grinder. Yeah, we've got the cordless grinder, so bring this. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh. Okay, bag's in, puppy's here. You're gonna stay. Good girl. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna have to set you down to get this one. Be right back. Okay, I'm all loaded up. So we're gonna load it up and we'll head out in just a minute. I had some suspicious people driving through, so we're gonna wait till they come back down and out. Just don't like seeing vehicles that I don't know turn around in my driveway. So we're gonna wait till they come back down. We're here. We'll get this unloaded. Here's the cat. He even put it up on blocks for me. Look at that. And see, the lower arm comes back and connects halfway back. And right back here, that shiny part, right there, there's a line. Can't see it very well, but that's the cap. There's bolts on the back. and we're just gonna weld right along the top of that and put a tack on each bolt on both sides, and then it'll be good to keep working until it breaks. That's the idea. So this one's behind some hoses, but it's right back there. We'll clean it off and weld it up. Out motorcycles. Here we go. It got a little dirty. Had a little bit of a fire from some oil spilled on it, so some dirt fell. I was smacking the fire out, but that'll work. I'll show you the other side. This side I didn't go as far. Am I too shaky? Okay. Welded the bottom of the cap and tacked the bolts on. Those bolts should be enough. Wait, take a look at this one. Oh, alright. That's what he wanted. Just a short tack.